Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to promote your merchandise and get it noticed, Threads is the perfect platform to do it. In today's video, I will show you how to market your merch like a pro and get your products in front of your audience. Let's dive in. First of all, make sure that you set up your Threads profile. Click your profile at the bottom right. Make sure that you set up a complete profile. Use professional profile picture by clicking edit profile right here. Make sure also to write a catchy bio that explains what your brand is all about and include links to your store or website in your bio so potential customers can easily find your products, or you can just simply add links so you can add links to your store. Okay, now next, share engaging content to build hype around your merch. Share engaging content that connects with your audience. Some ideas include, for example, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to do that for me, right? I'm trying to promote my merch. Right? Let's say example, e-commerce, right? Example, right? Behind the scenes. So of course that could be video or photo, but in my case I'm using a post because I'm not recording any video, right? And as you can see right here, engage with your audience. Give me example of a post, right? Behind the scenes, right? As you can see right here, this is an example. I'm gonna copy this one and I'm gonna add it to my Threads. So I'm gonna click the plus button right here, paste the idea. All right, I'm gonna delete this behind the scene, right? I'm gonna put it back right here. As you can see, this is an example behind the scenes, right? Also keep your post visually appealing by using high quality images like image 1, image 2, image 3, and or videos of your merch in action, right? Next, make sure that you add a relevant hashtags, right? In order to get it viral, you need to use hashtags like unboxing, right? Unboxing video. Hashtags are essential on Threads for discoverability, right? Using hashtags that are relevant to your merch and niche, right? Make sure that you add 2 to 5 or 5 to 10 hashtags to your merch, okay, in order to be viral. Try mixing popular tags with niche specific ones to target the right ones, okay? Next, run a exclusive promotions. Offer exclusive promotions or discounts to your Threads followers. Create a sense of urgency with limited time offers or discount codes for your merch. For example, if you posted something like, right, let's have an example right here. Okay, I'm gonna post this, right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna view the post and I'm gonna add a thread under that post to reply on my original post. 10%, for example, discount if you used the code, right? Or the code for discount at checkout. Let's have an example. Okay, or free shipping on all orders today. This will help you build excitement and encourage purchases. Next, engage. After you post, engage with your followers. Engagement is key to building your audience. Check the comments if there is any response, or you can check the heart right here at the bottom right to see who replied to your post, or you can see right here in the replies to see who replied to your post, right? Respond to comments, thank your followers for their support, and ask their input on a new design or products. Engaging with your community will boost your credibility and then keep your audience invested in your brand. And next, which is very important, collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers or content creators on Threads who align with your brand's values. A collaborations or shout out can help you reach a wider audience. Just make sure their followers match your target demographic to maximize the impact. And of course, this is an important step, consistency. Consistency is essential for growing your presence on Threads. Post regularly about your merch, but mix it up with other content like lifestyle posts, use generated content or engaging polls. Right here, by clicking the plus button, you can use pictures, images, or hashtags, or right here polls, or you can use a location for an event or something like that. Right? So try and mix it up. Keeping your feed diverse will help and keep your followers coming back for more. And that's how you can promote your merch on Threads like a pro. With these tips, you'll be able to build a strong presence, engage with your audience, and boost your sales. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more marketing tips. Let me know in the comments if you are already on Threads and how you're promoting your merch.